Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply an e-visa to Belarus using their mobile app. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this official app. I downloaded it from Google Play, and it's free of course, and it's available with Apple App Store also, that you can use if you are using an iOS device. On the main page it is asking you to log in. Okay, you can log in with an ID card or EDS key, log in with a unique ID, and if or you can log in with Apple or Google account. So I'm going ahead with Google, but because of you guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go for sign up. Okay, yeah. So we need to register name, surname, password, country of residence, email, and then tap on register. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay guys, so what happens, let me tell you the verification. So you need to put, you saw the fields, you have to put your phone number and email both. Okay, and it's gonna send a code to your phone and email, both need to be verified before you can actually get in. And once you get in, you go to the profile page where you can update your contact details and all, but your intention is to apply for the visa, right? So you go to all services under available services, and if you search for visa, you will get this 3.04.01 e-visa issuance. So I'm going to tap on this. So now it has come here, description, like how long it takes. Okay, and then how to use, our steps are there. Okay, register, authenticate, and then you can go ahead, cost, all other things they have given. Okay, now you, in order to apply, click on order. Now it is giving you information that before completing, read the following form carefully. List of countries who can obtain, general information, e-visa fee, and other things. So you can click on every link. For example, if I click, so list of countries whose citizens can obtain. Okay, fine. All right. Fee. So based on your country, the fee is there. Okay. And internet acquiring service fee €6, so that you have to pay. General information is also given, like what are the things you can do, how long it takes. Okay, grounds for refusal and other things, verification process, everything. So once you are okay, check this and tap on next. So next is to provide surname, first name, gender, date of birth, and you can save also and come back later, but you can go for next. I'm going to go on next after filling this. Then it is asking for the citizenship, so select whatever is applicable, but again, yeah, it has to be one of those countries where it is available, and then I'm going to tap on next. Next is passport information, passport type. Most of the people will have ordinary. Number, date of issue, validity, and then next. I'm going to do this. Permanent home address, country that you can select from drop down, phone number, email, and then I'm going to do next. Now it is asking, do you work or study? So you can select which you do. If you select yes, then provide the details. Okay. Now coming e-visa type C, category, what you want to do. If you're going for tourism, select tourism. Number of entries, 1 they give. Validity you need, duration, how you're gonna stay. Okay. Number of days, of course, gonna be automatically. So let's say you are going next month on 30th. Okay. And you're gonna stay there, let's say for up to 15 May. So okay, it's already selected. Now tap on. So where you're gonna stay, hotel information that you can put. You need to confirm for health insurance policy, that 10,000 euros. Okay, fine. Validity, of course, it has to cover that. And then next. So now the application is created, but you cannot move forward because you have not paid the fee. So once you tap on this, it will ask for the fee, €66. Okay. When you proceed, you won't be able to return to fill the e-visa form. So it is asking you to verify and then check. So you can, if you tap on pay, it will go for pay, where you pay, and then they will ask you to upload the documents, your passport photo and other things, so that they can verify hotel booking and other things, because those are the things you need. And if you want to provide any additional document, that you can get an FAQ that you want. And then once things are settled, you can go ahead and submit the application. Okay. That's how it is, guys. So that is how it works, guys. And let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.